Well, not so beautiful of a day, but it is a good day because I got gifted a chainsaw from my good pals at this company that I work with. I'm going to fire it up and test it out. This thing is sick. If it's not good, it's not good.
I don't know it.
I'm gonna try to take this floor out. Start organizing. It's hard to like build a room if you're not talking to the camera.
Yeah, it's been a really hard day for both of us, and we're really trying to get through it and doing the best we can to keep this home clean and running.
Got the floor up down to the subfloor, and it's nighttime now, so we're just cozying up. What's up, Peyton? Muddy mess. Ugh. I think I'm gonna have to get some gravel for sand and gravel. Just looking down the driveway, the truck, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep coming up in this with the truck. Four-wheel drive's working good, and it's not muddy for too long, but you know, I'm rocking some pretty street tires. But I just picked up my front and rear door off Facebook Marketplace, so pretty stoked about them.
We officially have a bird feeder for the camp, and inside it contains some,
Okay.
hold on. It contains some bird feed, wild bird seed, And we have millet, raisins, almond pieces, and sunflower seeds.
And we've got, Peyton got me, or she got the cabin, this book called Another Bird in the Books. But it's a bird, we'll write down the birds we see, I guess.
It's a bird log.
It's a bird log.
Alright.
We're gonna be birding up here, okay? A lot of hobbies. We're multifaceted.
Ooh,
Oh, Peyton. Oh, it's not, is it?
it's supposed to spill out.
Well, maybe.
Them birds gotta eat. We definitely need more. We gotta get some cracked corn.
I don't want to get muddy right now.
Alright, I'm here to show you guys the good stuff. And through the snow, we have more blooms. I'm getting the mud off. This branch behind you, Cole.
This one?
Yeah. What do you think?
This ain't feeling very solid. You could do something more like that.
Yeah, it looks great.
Okay.
It looks pretty good.
I feel like that's good.
Yeah.
Got some more bricks. Might do a little pathway with them. I don't know what to do with the rest of these bricks, but I bought them, so I didn't want to waste it. Today's just been a big old day of errands. It's a mess, that's for sure, but wanted to do a quick walk. This is my lovely table saw that was gifted to me for free from a local pal. There's Mr. Deer. And here is the pathway. Obviously, you know, I didn't lay down any sand or level it, but for what it's worth, just getting it out my truck, not bad, not bad. So we can see the sun is shining and it's very beautiful. So just a reminder to everyone in case they want to know, the back door here, the new one I got is going to get placed in here. The bathroom window will go right here, so there will be more privacy here. I will not do the back door until I do this roof. This roof I will basically rip up, replace the roof decking, and do a red metal roof on top of it. After I do that, I will rip off the T111. I will add zip system because there's no siding to the structure. There's only the T111. So no vapor barrier, no siding. So I'll be fixing that. Gotta rip this old generator out. Guess I'll just throw it away. Or maybe I'll see if it works, I'm not sure. There's the chimney I installed. Very happy with it. Still need to install the one section to create about 2 more feet above that roof line so it will be compliant with code. If anyone's curious, I plan to put an outdoor shower right here. So I'll build like a little wall on this right side, outdoor shower here, because that will be done a lot. Oh, Peyton, you were just relaxing. What are we eating?
Having some dogs.
Hot dogs. Are we gonna cook them over the fire?
I'm a little concerned about the fire. Looks like it needs some attending. You wanna?
Yeah, it's not a very good fire. All right, well, keep enjoying yourself.
Starve.
It's been a little slow going here, but it's been nice. It's not as comfortable as it could be, but it feels pretty fun. So,
Cheers to that.
so I will talk to you all soon, or see you soon, and thank you for watching.